Hey guys, hey everyone, thank you for joining the channel this morning. This is Future Trading with Mike, and maybe you're watching the video this afternoon. Doesn't really matter, but thank you for joining and watching and tuning in today, okay? Today is August the 15th, going to say 16th, but the 15th, it is Monday morning here, my time. It is currently 10:05 Eastern time. So, and I'm looking at the ES Futures, which is the Emini S&P 500. It is the market that I trade primarily each and every day, okay? So you could be a future trader. It doesn't matter if you just trade the ES. You could trade, the Nasdaq, crude. Doesn't really matter. But hey, this channel is all about future trading. And if you're here and you're watching, you're here for a reason. Thank you for doing so. I want to give my thanks to everyone who's currently subscribed to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining. And if you're a newcomer watching today, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time out of your day, out of your schedule to watch the video. And hopefully we can get you or gain you as a loyal subscriber here on the channel. Because on this channel here, we talk about the futures markets, talk about trading the futures markets, and we also have a Discord, which I'm gonna get into in a moment. But yes, if you're interested in and are currently trading futures, then you joined the right, you've come to the right channel. So if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel. Okay, we have a great team of community filled with members. Where we each and every morning talk about the session, talk about the markets, and we talk about our levels, our ideas and thoughts about what the market's going to do, and just kind of an open question and answer type forum where there are a solid community of members that where if you ask questions, someone's always going to have the answer, guys. I pretty much guarantee that one, because we don't all have the answers, but someone will, That's the thing about knowing and having information. And so anyways, if you're interested in joining the Discord, find the link down in the description portion of this video and simply click on it. Invite yourself in and join a good, solid team of future traders that trade the future markets each and every day. So yes. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video. And we're currently looking at the ES right now. Like I said, it's 10:05. Also, before we do that, guys, if you're interested in joining and becoming joining the membership program, which is the YouTube, which is a YouTube membership program, there's two tiers or two levels. You guys probably see or have seen a little join button next to the subscribe button on the homepage or any of the videos on the channel. If you click on it, you can see that there's two tiers, and you can support the channel by becoming one of or choosing one of the tiers, become a member and support the channel is what I'm trying to say, guys. Couldn't get it out clear enough. But anyways, there's two tiers. There's one where you can join to become an elite channel member, as well as you can also join to become a loyal channel supporter. So, but with the elite channel membership, what you basically get, which is a price of a cup of coffee, guys, $6.99 a month. You get the inside peek. You get the inside, I'm not going to say peek, you get the inside full breakdown of my trades, okay? So I talk in detail about my trades when I'm actually trading and posting, my live recorded sessions. I typically go back and give a full rundown in detail of my trade breakdown. So it kind of gives you an inside view of my thought process behind my trades and why I took those trades. So, just simply watching the videos and just watching me trade versus me actually breaking it down and letting you know why. It's informational is what I'm trying to say. It's content packed, so I'm sure it will help plenty of people out, to kind of get an understanding of the way I trade, because I am a supply and demand style trader. But it actually, by hearing me talk about why I took those trades and walking you through the steps of why I took those trades, you'll probably see and understand a lot quicker, and maybe open the doors up, unlock the keys to, or unlock the doors to, maybe that will open the door for you to be able to see and understand a little bit easier. Maybe put you on a faster track or faster pace of being able to understand how to trade or how I trade supply and demand using a simple strategy. So without that said, if you want to join and become a member today and get that exclusive content of me, talking about my trade breakdowns, then just simply click in and become a elite channel member today by clicking on the join button and joining one of the tiers. Okay. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I don't want to rant too much. Okay. But let me simply just show you guys before we get started. If you're interested, all you have to do is click on the join button, okay, and choose one of the tiers. elite channel member or loyal channel support. Each one of the tiers has perks that you will receive, and but like I said, the elite channel member gives you that exclusive members only videos. Okay, sometimes it would not just be me going over just breakdown of my trade. Sometimes there'll be exclusive content, or exclusive video content that I'll put here in this side, or if you're an elite channel member, I'll we'll make it exclusive to channel members only. Could be certain topics, whatever the case is, surrounding the markets, or just simply information or knowledge or that I've learned, or things that I feel like I need to put out to the community. Things, just things I want to talk about that may help you guys along, whatever the case is. So I'll put it right here in this on this side of things, being under the elite channel members, if you're a subscriber there, or a member there. So outside of that, all you have to do is click on the join button, join that if you're interested in becoming a supporter of the channel, or you can click on any one of the videos. It doesn't matter what video, you'll find that join button on there just as well. So, okay, let's go ahead and get into the market here and take a look at the market and kind of start with the 60 range chart. Now, I've been away from my desk. I've been away for the last 2 days, business days. So looks like we continue pushing higher and higher. So we can see price making these higher highs and higher lows, even on the higher time frame. Looking back at Thursday and Friday. So made a high, pulled back, made a higher high, pulling back. So we're bouncing off of this area of resistance right now. And price is pushing a little lower if we look at the 12 range. So my bias right now would be to trade to the upside. But, we'll just kind of see and follow price action. All right. So with that said, let's see. We broke here. Okay. So what time was this? Oh, that was yesterday's settlement, or yesterday's close. All right. So, all right. So we'll kind of wait and see, because price has just been pushing to the upside for a while. If you look at here on the 60 range chart. Yeah. Since actually the middle of June, we've been pushing to the upside. So for the last 2 months, pretty much, making higher highs and higher lows. So nobody knows what the market's going to go, but we'll find out. We'll see what it's going to do today anyways. All right. But yeah, today I'm just going to be trying to pick up a few ticks and pick up, see if we can make a little money. And just going to show you a simple strategy I use. You guys know that been following the channel, know that I trade supply and demand. So it's a pretty easy strategy. It's just a matter of following the higher time frame and being in tune with the higher time frame, and then kind of scaling down and trading from a lower time frame once you see the rejection. So, but yeah, this is how I trade each and every day. If you follow this video today, and hopefully we can get into a few trades. Easy peasy strategy, guys, that I use each and every day. So like I said, if you're interested and you're watching this video, you'll see, I've got a channel filled, I think almost 300 videos now, almost. And, they are very packed with content that I think that I spend a lot of time discussing things. Probably more so than most people probably do. I'm the type of person that really goes into detail about certain things. But, even from a public standpoint, when I say public, I mean those that don't, that are watching the channel, reviewing the channel, been following the videos, whatever the case is. I go into detail on my videos. But with like I just said, with the exclusive membership on the, if you join or want to sign up to become a supporter here in the channel, by an exclusive supporter, I would say, then you get that full breakdown. I kind of go into detail. The reason why, it takes so much time when I'm trying to trade. Like right now, I'm trying to trade and talk at the same time, and I have to be focused. And a lot of people who are watching it, even on Discord, like they're not. You're having to maybe you're at work, maybe you're doing something, whatever the case is. But you guys know you can probably kind of relate and understand that. Trading is not easy. You have to be 100% dedicated and focused on what you're doing. And I'm recording and trading, and then having to go back and kind of narrate and talk about, going into my details about each one of my trades. It's just so much, so many little intricate things that I'm looking at that have to come together for me to be able to take a trade. So that's why I go back in detail and break it down to those who are interested in becoming the elite channel members. You're getting a little bit more. You're getting something addition. You're getting you're getting what's up here, what I'm thinking, and I'm putting it into. I'm going in detail in even more content, or cover more content, and giving it to you for a price of a cup of coffee, which is not bad. I mean, some people would they charge hundreds and thousands of dollars to discuss things, and I'm not about that, guys. I just for a small fee, you're basically supporting the channel. You're supporting the idea of trying to you probably trying to find a way to actually do something that works for you, whatever the case is. And I never have and don't have a problem explaining things and going into detail. Like I say all the time, you can't take it with you. So whatever I know, I try to help people along, and I just hopefully people will just give back and just support the channel as a whole, because it takes a lot to make these channels go and discuss certain content. My time is valuable, so is you guys' time. So hopefully you guys understand that. Let's see. So we're pulling back. I'm just trying to pay attention. Okay. So we came down here. Looks like we pushed a little lower, but then kind of at the 50% area of this leg right here. But price is rejecting. We got the VPOC right here. I'm not sure price is going to, what it's really trying to do here. It's moving sideways. But right here at the VPOC. So it's kind of chopping here. I mean, we really haven't had much going on since the market opened up. I don't trade the first 20-25 minutes after the market opens typically, so I don't know. We'll see. Okay. I went in with too many contracts. All right. Didn't mean to do that, but all right. So I'll take out 2 right here and let my third one possibly run here. Oops. Tell you what, let's do this. Come on. It could pull back. I definitely know it could pull back. We can even reject this area here. I'm buying on the high end and not good. 73.50. Let me come down. I'm expecting it to push up. Yeah, it can bounce where it's at. Little area of resistance right here. I want to see it push higher though. Okay, first contract was filled. We'll take out our second one right there. Second contract. Come on, third contract. There we go. Got third contract. All right. Okay, so that's pretty much what, why I took that trade. All it was just a pullback, rejection at a level or an area of support where price couldn't break or push any lower. And if you look at, like I said, look at the market direction. The market is telling you that at the current time, from a higher time frame, that it's trying to push higher, or it has intentions to. So your bias, mine is more to the long side. Okay, so price didn't take this little area here out, but it was hitting against this area of support, like I said, and right here, this area right here. So price pulled back to it. It's just kind of centrally located around the VPOC right now. And let's see. I want to see what I got off that trade. Oh, today's the 15th. I'm gonna put the 12th in. It's not the 12th. It's the 15th. All right, so I picked up 16 ticks on that trade, guys. Show it to you. Quick 16. All right. A little quiet this morning, to be honest with you, here on the ES. We'll see. I was texting, or not texting, but typing something into the Discord. So I was just saying it was quiet on the Discord this morning, guys. I mean, not the Discord, but quiet on the ES this morning. Market's not doing too much this morning. Yep. Not sure. Take a little scalp long here if I can get filled. I think I'm just going to scalp this real quick. Boom, boom. Oh, looks like we're already hit my area. Not sure if I like this trade here. This was a little risky. I think I might take this out. Yeah, I think I'll take this trade here out. I don't like this one. I'll leave one contract there, kind of cover my trade. Come on. There we go. All right, that's fine. Didn't lose anything. Cover my trade. For all you guys that asked, I either break even if I feel like I need to get out of a trade, and maybe leave one contract a tick above, break even just to kind of cover my trade. So, all right. So I didn't lose anything there. My trade was covered by that last contract in commissions, if you want to say. So we're just waiting on the market to see what it's going to do. Yeah, we're definitely moving sideways with this leg to the upside, pull back. We're moving sideways. You can see it here. So Let's see what price does here. We're right here at the VPOC, so let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go long. A quick scalp here. Go on for a quick scalp because we're right around the VPOC. So, okay, I've got cleared there. All right. All right. You'll see, so be careful. So quick little scalp for me, up 24 right now. That was just a little pullback to this area right here at 68.5 with the PLCs right there. That's a tough one here. We came back down here, broke. Okay, so yeah, that's a tough one there. Trying to trade right here at the VPOC makes a little tough. Let's see. Let's see. $71. Yeah, we came back down to the VPOC. I'm just a little skeptical about trading around the VPOC. I mean, we did break up here, take out a little structure, pull back, but yeah, not sure about that one. Yeah, we definitely wedging right here. Tough one, tough one, tough one. Right at the VPOC. Yep. Yeah, we're just trading around the VPOC right now. Not doing, I ain't doing too much. Yeah, we're just trading, moving sideways right here. Price is really gonna have to break above this area right here if it wants to push up higher, but yeah, we just keep coming back to the VPOC and bouncing off of it, pushing a little lower, but it's definitely a wedge. Let's see, let's see. reject this area here again. Okay, reject that area where it's got resistance right here. Trying to go long here, guys. Come on. Alright. Trying to go long, and I think it's going to finally give us a little break to the upside here, so. Let's see here. I think it's going to break to the upside. Maybe we'll finally get a break to the upside. We'll see. Come on. So slow today. Slow. Come on. Come on. Push up. Ah, look at that. It's having a hard time. I think I was like, what, 1 tick away from getting filled? My first contract, yeah, at 70, 2 ticks away. Yeah, 2 ticks away. Let's move sideways here. So this trade is actually a pullback, but I went long aggressively, not really waiting on the pullback, but it's safe to wait on the pullback. Okay, for the and then go long. But I went long a little early. I went long on the break above this area right here of resistance, pretty much at 72.5. Price broke up, pulled back, broke higher, forming a swing here to the upside, but okay. Still didn't get filled on my first contract, did I? All right, let's drop this down 1 tick. Maybe we'll get filled here. One more tick. Okay, first contract filled. I'm looking to take it up, hopefully up to 80.25 maybe. But I'm gonna take out around this area here, at the top end, the top volume area, if we can get filled up there. So we may get a pullback before we push higher. So I'm gonna stay in this trade here. So let's see. Put this out in my Discord for the community. So a little different type of trade. Look, but it's still surrounding my strategy of trading supply and demand, but it's just a little bit more trickier because you got the VPOT kind of centrally located around this area here, so a little difficult. But we just follow the trend or follow the I don't really like to use the word trend, but follow the direction of the higher time frame and kind of trade with that. Meaning to me, my bias is long, like I said earlier, so I'm gonna look to take trades long. So, but we're right here at this area of resistance, so be careful trading. I really want to see the market push higher, but it could bounce right here where it's at. So. I don't know what I want to do here. I don't know if I want to take out and then wait for the break above again, or wait for the break, or yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take here. Look at it. Okay, it's pulling back on me now. I want to take profit and just wait to see if we're going to get a pullback and some more rejection here to go higher. Because we are at this area of resistance right here. Let's see if we get filled here. Maybe not. Doesn't want to fill me. There it goes. Should fill me in a second here. Okay. Alright, so got filled on those two contracts there. We are at resistance. So, okay, so that trade there, as I mentioned, was again, pullback. Let's see here. Give me 1 second. I don't think this thing is done yet, to be honest with you. I should have stayed in the trade. I think it's going to come up here to 79.5. So I'm going to trade this. Or at least the 80 area. I'm going to do something like this right here. I don't think it's done. 80.25. Okay. But we are at resistance right here. Maybe it's not quite done yet. It really needs to break above, I say 77, close above 77. So, but it's not done yet. Still can reject this area right here. Let's see. If it breaks above 77, then we should get a push up to the high up here. Okay, we broke above, so we should continue to get that push to the upside, hopefully. 77.25. Okay. Look at the 12R. Looks like we've made that push to the upside here. So let's see if we can continue pushing higher and reach our profit target. 71.25. Let's see. Okay, let's see. We're at first contract's filled. Let's see if we can get the fill in that second contract. All right, we just filled that second contract. Okay. Okay. So, all right. High volume node is right above us. So I'm gonna put this out on the Discord, guys. Okay. So I got filled in on those two contracts. All right, got 50 on the day, 50 ticks on the day. I think I'm gonna call it quits. It broke right through the area I talked about. So now it's making a new high here off the 12 range. You can see it pushed up, pulled back, broke higher here, 83.5, 84 area, pull back. Now it's breaking higher. So this wedge price finally broke through. Now it's trying to push higher. So let's see. So we see price. Where is it at now? 87, 42.87. I'm looking at 60 range. If I scroll over here, we can see price. Oops, sorry. Is bumped up against this area right here. There's a small area. I mean, it's not small. It's an area of supply off of the 60 range right here, where price is rejecting off of right now, or bumping up against. So it could possibly reject here. It could come up and maybe test around the 95, 96 area, putting us above this high volume area right here, but it can reject right where it's at now and push lower. So, but in order to look for rejection, you have to look for we have to see price kind of now. That's off the 60 range, which I just showed you. Look for price to take out some structure to the downside, meaning that on the 12 range charts for me that's what I'm looking for. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up, guys. I appreciate everyone tuning in this morning. If you're trading, please be safe in the market. It's 11:45 my time, Eastern time. So yes, please be safe in the market if you're actually trading. I'll see you guys in the next video.